I got a case for the Anker Prime laptop 737 power bank, and this is the case only. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, boxed up nice, wrapped in plastic. The case itself is 8.5 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and about 3 inches deep. I wouldn't say it's faux leather, but it's kind of a rubbery textured material on here. They have a pretty smooth zipper with a rubber grip on here. I'll let you open it up easily. And when you do open it up, inside you're going to have a wrist strap in here. So you can attach that if you like, which I've done. On this side where you place the power bank, there is an elastic strap here to help you keep it in place. On the other side, there's a little zippered pouch here where you can store your USB cable or whatever you like. Plenty of room in there. According to the company, the case is splash proof, though I have not tested that out. Just to give you a quick size visual, you can see it compared to my Samsung cell phone here. They specifically made this for certain power banks, but I can't see why it wouldn't work with any other power bank. You just want to check the size and make sure that your device will fit in there. So there you go. Great for daily use or travel. A sturdy, hard shell, easy to carry case for your Anker Prime power bank. Very nice.